Here we are at Lily Pad Cabin. There's the log burning hot tub. Filling up, ready for a new guest. You can fish from here, here, or anywhere up there in any of the swims. Fishing in the margins is a must if you want to catch. Let me show you inside. So, lovely comfy leather brown sofa, table, 2 chairs, oven, all your cooking bits and bobs there. Fridge, freezer, all your bits and bobs that you'll need, cutlery, cleaning items, towels and beddings provided, hangers provided, a loo roll, soap, shower gel, little sanitary bin bags, and electric heating which gets very warm, and you've also got the heater in there. TV on bracket so you can turn it to sit and watch there, or in bed like so. So yeah, this is Lily Pad Cabin. Get booking now.